Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. Today in this video we are going to be looking into what you can expect over the next 30 days from whenever you see this. And there is an overriding theme that I see especially since the past week, okay? And that is the theme of karmic completion, and I'm seeing this across the pile. So if that is happening for you in your life, it is okay to let that happen, because what I feel right now is every soul that is reincarnated here at this point of time on planet Earth has a specific purpose. And if one person is moved out, it just means that person has a very specific purpose which is different from you. Yeah, so that is something you really need to keep in mind before going into these readings. As usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please pick one that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with pile 1. And this is what you can expect for your life in the next 30 days. So as usual, we have our tarot and we have our oracles. We'll start with tarot, of course, and then move on to our oracles. Okay. Now, the way I see this is, over the next 30 days, okay, there is almost for you this withdrawal. There are going to be a lot of times when you want to be with yourself to understand the things that are going on in your life. So you are very likely to, actually go into the hermit mode and think about things. This could also be a time of a lot of research. Maybe you're thinking about a lot, you're researching into a lot of things, you're studying a lot of things, okay? But that overpowering sense of self and spirituality is very, very present. So I do believe spiritually your life is getting a huge uplift during this point of time. But there is also a successful completion of things for you. So this could be a project, this could be some kind of an activity that you've taken up, or could very well mean that a certain karmic bond that you've had is coming to an end. But of course, along with that ending, there is this euphoric, beautiful beginning. And whatever is happening, you're feeling good about it. You're feeling satisfied about it. In fact, you're feeling very joyful about it. This could also be a time for you to go out on a holiday, to go out on a small trip, sometimes by yourself and sometimes with one person who's like very close to you, and just to have a good time. So that holiday, that movement is definitely there for you. But once again, over the next 30 days, you're going to be coming together with a lot of people. This could be people whose skill set is very different from the one you have. Like probably they bring something to the table, you bring something to the table, and together it builds into something beautiful. So maybe in your work situation, you will be called towards working with people. Probably you'll be attending a workshop where, different people come together, or maybe you will have to work as a part of a whole to make something happen. But coming together with different kind of people is very much on the cards for you. But once again, you're feeling strong, okay? You're feeling very confident, you're feeling very, very optimistic about your place in life. You know who you are as a person, and you're willing to put your best foot forward. There is also a point in the next 30 days where you feel like taking a step back, where you feel like you need to go over a lot of things and think through again, okay? So that withdrawal is definitely on the cards. And please make sure that you're taking breaks, occasional breaks for yourself, so that you don't drain your energy is also something that is coming forth for you. But also you will have a lot of chance to give thanks, to give gratitude to the universe, to the people around you for everything that they do for you. Once again, when it comes to money, things look good, but please ensure that you're not spending too much money, because that is a theme that is really coming forth strongly ever since the last 1 week and 2 weeks. So be very careful of those additional expenses. One more thing, your intuition is very, very strong. Like I said in the very beginning, you're going to be enjoying a rich spiritual life, and this, intuition being strong with your 7th chakra being very active, that just highlights towards making intuitive actions, making actions or decisions that are right for you particularly. But you're very intuitive, especially over the next 30 days. Let us look into your moonology. You are being asked to believe in the impossible. So if there is something that you want to achieve, if there's something that you feel, okay, maybe this is never meant to happen, trust it, believe in it, be consistent in it, and you'll definitely achieve whatever it is on your mind that you want to achieve. The belief is everything, okay? You need to believe first in order for it to show up in your life, okay? So believe in the impossible, and impossible things will happen. Now, you're also being asked to surrender to non action, especially with the Hermit card and the Hanged Man showing up for you. So, you don't really have to take action all the time. Sometimes, if you feel like, okay, I'm just going to relax and I'm going to allow things to come to me, that is also going to be a phase of, your mind that you go through. So, that is completely okay. If you feel like now is not a time for you to act over the next 30 days, listen to yourself. Okay, be still and breathe and focus on yourself for whenever you feel is right for you. And let people come to you instead of you going towards them and just wanting to be a part of their life. Yeah, that's something that's coming. And of course, relationship wise, there is a possibility, with that ending coming through, a relationship may change the way it is right now. So this could be like, a shift of circumstances. Like maybe for some people, this could actually be like moving from being a single person to being in a relationship. But sometimes this could be, okay, our relationship is this way right now. Maybe we need to change a couple of things. But the relationships you have, they are no longer going to be the same. Some form or the other, it is going to be changing. But understand this is a choice that you're making. It's not happening to you. And of course, like the belief in impossible, you are also being asked to keep doing something that you completely believe in. Because if you don't give up and do something that is unique to yourself over the next 30 days, you're definitely going to achieve that success. And I purposely kept this card for the very end. This is like the Five of Cups. So there is something that is causing you slight discomfort. This could be unhappiness over a circumstance. Maybe, there is a completion here. So you're feeling slightly sad about it before moving on to beautiful things. So, movement of a job, leaving behind colleagues. This could be the end of a significant friendship. But a little bit of unhappiness is there. But again, you have a lot to be grateful for. So you really need to be focusing on that over the next 30 days. Overall, that is what you can expect for your life over the next 30 days. As usual, I wish you the very, very, very best, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've chosen pile 2, this is what you can expect over the next 30 days. So what I'll do is I'll just place out all of your tarot cards first, and then we'll go to your oracles. So you basically have 9 of Pentacles, you have Emperor, Page of Swords, you have Devil, 2 of Wands, 6 of Cups, and you have tarot oracles which we'll be taking at the very end. Now, first of all, I have to tell you this. Whatever it is that you're doing right now, it is making way for you to achieve growth and success in the future. So if there are some new beginnings that you're making over the next 30 days, they are very likely to be successful. So don't be really, in a hurry when it comes to doing things, because just like the plant that she's planted, for this to be like a big tree, it's going to take time. But you need to be very focused about it. You need to also repeat affirmations if possible, affirmations of growth, affirmations of fulfillment, and affirmations of success. But pile 2, in your life, you're already enjoying a lot of success. This doesn't always have to be on a material level, but I do believe for a couple of you, even materially, you guys are very satisfied, and that is going to continue over the next 30 days. But there is also a feeling of being isolated and spending time with yourself to just enjoy yourself, to enjoy your wealth, to enjoy your success, or to just enjoy yourself, okay? Because what is happening here is you are almost in a mood where you're feeling slightly nostalgic. You're thinking about the past, you're thinking about the good old days, and just reflecting on things. So this could actually be triggering a childhood memory, visiting a childhood home, connecting with friends from people you went to school with, college with, and hence feeling really, really that childlike, that beautiful memories coming up. Yeah, again, this could be going over some notes from the past, photographs from the past, and that is making you nostalgic. But again, you have a lot of ideas in your mind, okay? I could do this, I could do that. And you're feeling very curious, and you're also feeling very confident about those ideas. So if you have those ideas, pick and choose what you want to work on. If you have 10 ideas, don't work on all 10. Select the top 2 and start working on them. Because I do believe you need to have some firm plans in place. Without having plans, the ideas that you have, they may not see the light of the day. But you're very capable of materializing things into the physical plane, whichever you want to happen when it comes to your life. But understand, it is a phase of growth for you. Yeah. And once again, you almost feel like, the world is your oyster. There is a lot you can do, and in a way, you're very ready to face the world. Yeah. So, whatever it is that is happening for you right now, make plans, make firm plans, probably do some research around them, and only then take action over the next 30 days. But that research, that proper planning aspect is very strong for you. But let me tell you, you're going to be struggling with certain addictions, okay? Now, this could be addictions related to relationships, like thinking about people all the time. This could actually be, online shopping. This could be spending money. This could be substance abuse as well. So please ensure whatever you're feeling addicted towards, you are actually releasing that and not letting it have a hold over your mind and your life, okay? So releasing those, addictive patterns is something that is going to be very, very important for you. And of course, let us get into your oracle cards. You have self-discipline. So I do believe of the next 30 days, you guys are going to be very self-disciplined, and you're required to be self-disciplined if you really want to enjoy all the growth in the future. Okay, so self-discipline is going to be a theme for you. And yes, blossoming abundance, but you have to understand that this is blossoming abundance, like abundance that will grow from henceforth. Yeah. So even if you're currently enjoying wealth, that is a lot of wealth that wants to come into your life. So please make sure you are consistently working towards this future progress. And also, you are being told that you need to allow support and love to come into your life. You don't have to do everything on your own. So allow people who want to actually come out and help you. Yeah. And what this will do is, this will essentially take pressure off you to try and do everything simultaneously. So delegate your work and accept support is something that is coming up for you. And yes, of course, your dreams need a practical plan. So if there are dreams that you have, you really need to work it out, okay? One step at a time, one step at a time. That is what I've been telling you consistently. And that is a theme that is continuing for you. But let me tell you, if you are people, you dream of things and you let it go halfway, then maybe that is something you have to correct about yourself, okay? Only consistent work is what is going to get you the abundance and success that you need. So if you're people, out of 24 hours, you're just putting 1 hour into work, maybe you need to rethink certain things when it comes to your life. And of course, you are required to be patient as you move forward, because like I said at the very beginning, whatever you are doing right now is just a seedling, it's a plant, and it'll take some time. But you have support. You have this little cat helping you out, and it is very interesting. There was actually a cat in the background, and yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, you have support, and your dreams are going to grow big is what I'm getting. Have a plan, work at it, and most of all, be patient over the next 30 days. And that is it when it comes to your next 30 days from me. As always, I wish you the very best, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 3, this is what you can expect over the next 30 days. So let us look into what your cards are here to tell you. Okay, first of all, pile 3, you're taking up a lot of responsibilities. You're taking up a lot of work, and you really need to make sure that you are really prioritizing things when it comes to your life. But once again, this month, especially the next 30 days, your work is going to be taking your priority. Like whatever it is that you're doing, you're so focused on it, because I believe in a way you want to make things happen for yourself before time. That is the sense I get here, because of which you're overworking. But let me tell you, instead of putting hard work, you need to ensure you are doing smart work, okay? So once again, let me tell you, you need to slightly pay more attention towards logic. Okay, what is logical at this point of time? I believe that is going to be much more important than just putting in the hard work. So once again, organization structure is going to be very important for you as you move forward. But once again, I do believe there is one chapter of your life that you're leaving behind. This could be a job change, this could be a movement, like one place to another, moving to a different place of work, moving to a different house, different location. That is possible. But this is happening in your life after a lot of reflection. So, whatever it is doing, you're doing it consciously. And honestly, the advice for you right now is to just go with the flow. See where life is taking you, because for you, a lot what is happening for you behind the scenes is the universe making things happen. Okay, so you are in control to a certain extent, but after that it is the universe. So I believe you need to be more trusting of the universe, and you need to let yourself go wherever you're going. So be like water is something that I'll tell you. But once again, you also be making time for a lot of fun. Okay, so do something that brings you joy. For you specifically, you may have that occasion, so maybe you will have a good activity to do with family, you're celebrating something with friends. Overall, there is a lot of happiness, lot of success, and a lot of joy. So once again, like I said, since there is a movement, you can actually be going on a small vacation, spending time with people you love and care, and overall that beautiful feeling of joy and fulfillment and contentment, most of all, is definitely there. But I also believe for you have a lot of dreams, you have a lot of hope for your future, and you're willing to work hard at it. Okay, and you're doing as best as you can in the next 30 days, and I believe the universe is actually supporting you doing that. But once again, when it comes to money is coming in, but money is also flowing out. Okay, so if your people, saving is important for you right now, then please save first and then spend, because a lot of expenditure is what I see for you over the next 30 days. For people who are struggling with any health issues, you're going to find that things get easier for you. But if you want to have things easier for you, you need to calm down. Okay, you're doing too much, you're thinking too much is something that I'm getting as well. So if you feel like you are really exhausted, if you feel like you've exhausted all of your energy, it is time to replenish yourself. And also, over the next 30 days, make sure you are getting enough sleep, because that sleep is going to be very crucial. And stay hydrated, especially with the water magic showing forth. Please make sure you're drinking enough water, but keep yourself hydrated in any way possible. Yes, because sometimes we just forget to drink water, and I'm just going to take a sip of water, because sometimes I believe messages come as a reminder to me as well. Let's take your moonology. Okay, you have the answers are coming. So if there is something that you're wondering about, like, is this going to happen? Is this not going to happen? Am I doing the right thing? You're going to be guided at exactly the same time. Okay, whenever you need that answer, it's going to be coming through. But I feel like the answer is going to come via a friend. Like, she'll probably be the person who has an answer to your questions, or can be a he as well, of course, or friends can be of either sexes, but you'll definitely get your answer when you require. It might not be something that you've expected, is also something I want to tell you. But over the next 30 days, you're being asked to have certain control over your thoughts. And if you feel like your thoughts are going in a negative direction, you are being asked to actually surrender that. Yeah, of course, if a negative thought comes, the best way to do that is just to say stop to the thoughts, and then think an infinitely positive thought, preferably a thought that makes you feel happy and puts you in that positive frame of mind. But surrender negative thinking is something that you have to do. And yes, you may be actually traveling, but of course, if this is not travel, this could be the start of something. Maybe a couple of you may be heading to university, you may be starting a new course, a new job, or just travel. Physical movement can definitely be happening for you, but that forward movement, that journey, is definitely a part of your next 30 days. And yes, look at this, you have the card of time out. So if you're overworking, if you feel like you are exhausted, please take the time out, because sometimes that is exactly what we need to get out of our heads. Okay, so whenever you feel like you need that time out, give yourself that. And healing, of course, since we already had the card of the star, absolutely you are healing. A lot of parts of you are healing, and it is going to continue. Just take it easy, okay? Over the next 30 days, get your sleep, replenish yourself, and emotionally I feel like you guys need certain replenishments, okay? So please give yourself that. Physically you will get better, but you need to be hydrated and give yourself, fresh juices. Maybe, you can have soups, because that can be really important towards your healing journey. And rest is going to be very important. But overall, there is happiness here, and there is a forward movement. So that is what I predominantly see. And remember, the answers you need are coming. That is what I have for you over the next 30 days of the coming month, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.